I got a call from Shelley and she'd tasked Tam and myself with finding 10 of the hottest tradies on the block.
Dad's one of them.
It's for a photo shoot, so they're going to have to get all...
So are they getting, like, their kit off?
Well, I feel like they should, because we do have pools and it's going to be in the backyard week.
Is it?
Yeah.
OK, well, do you want to go and have a look and really assess the situation?
I think so.
OK.
I was busy thinking about boys.
Can we just start lifting people's shirts up, or is that inappropriate?
Tell you what, Macca's got some guns on him.
I'm sorry that I missed your party. I was busy thinking about boys.
Yeah, he's on the list.
He's on the list.
Up there somewhere, I think.
Don't know about him.
Head is spinning thinking about boys.
Oh, hold on a minute.
Oh, there it is. There's the money shot.
That is
right
a money
there.
shot.
Go on, get out of here. Go on, get going.
Now I know I have so many children.
We were looking in everyone's front gates,
Sleazing.
just having a look. No, we were sussing it out. It was our homework from Shelley.
Homework.
Oh, Dan's back again. Are you kidding? This guy. Every front gate we'd go into, Dan, for some reason, would race ahead of us and just stand there and just be, like, in a different position every time. I think he wants to be in it. He keeps moving. And we were like,
Classic Dan.
I don't know
Wants
if you're
the
going to make the
attention.
cut, Dan. I don't know if you're going to make the cut.
What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man.
Let's go have a look in here.
Sweet sugar candy man.
I think it's like 14 degrees, but I'm starting to get a sweater.
Yeah, look at you.
Oh,
It's a big task and it's a big ask.
What about that stud muffin over there?
He got those hips like sugar cane.
hey, Georgie.
Hey, Georgie.
He's a one-stop shop with a real big. He's a sweet
Check out this guy.
You all right, mate? You busy? You look busy.
Have you got a short list?
We've got a couple on the list. Jimmy won't let me put him on the list.
No one wants to see this rig without a shirt on.
Luke will definitely do it. Babe, you made the cut.
You what? You want a hot tradie?
Who's that young, strapping lad over there?
I didn't choose you. That was Tam's decision.
Is she? Oh.